Hi there, I'm going to show you how to add a divider to your Drupal website using Glazed Builder. In this video, you will learn how to add, position, and customize the divider element. To add the element to the column, click on the plus icon. The element is under the Content tab. You can change the position by dragging the element. Now, in order to customize this, you will need to click on the pencil icon in the toolbar. Now you can select the color of your choice. You can change the opacity of the color by dragging along the slider. Here you can select the thickness of the divider. This can be set as default, or you can customize it. You can also customize the length of the divider. Now you can select whether you would like the divider to be aligned to the left, to the center, or to the right. Once you've finished, click on Save Changes. As you can see, you now have a divider on your page. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.